So here is my virtual tour of 1287 Adams Road in Definiak Springs. First off, right there in the yellow, we have a large workshop with a garage door that can open. There's a very spacious yard. Part of the backyard in front of the immediate house is fenced in, which is terrific. There's a pole barn in the back and an actual barn toward the back. There's a persimmon tree, I believe. Here is a living area, and this is kind of a double living area that it has. And there's also another living space on the other side. This is kind of a little storage room. Right over here, there's another storage room where you can keep the gun safe or whatever you'd like to put in there. Here's that elongated double living area. As we walk over, that's toward the front entrance of the house facing the road. As we go down the hall, here's where our bedrooms are. Bedroom number 1 is here. You can easily fit a full queen or king in there. There's our guest bathroom. Then we have the primary bedroom right here. Bedroom number 2 is the primary bedroom. And then you have the primary bathroom there. Tile shower. Here's bedroom number 3. Then we have a separate sunroom here. There it is again, the sunroom. Then we have the utility room that's just off of the garage, and then the half bathroom that's just off of the garage. There's a continued utility room off of the garage. Here is that I guess we'd call it the third living area. It's aside from the double living area on the other side. There's our kitchen area. Lots of counter space, lots of cupboard space. And then our fruit tree. It was in full bloom this time of year, and then we have some flowers. So the fruit tree may not be blooming and full of fruit when you get there. It's just a seasonal thing. But some beautiful flowers all around. This is the front of the house. Then here is the porch on the front of the house. This is the pole barn with electricity. Then we have this workshop with electricity. Then we have this barn, which is awesome. And then some more vegetation. Here are a couple of shots just showing the beauty of the land and the space you get